So this is a video that I could not find specifically for my Samsung refrigerator, but I went ahead and made it for you all because I couldn't find it. This is my Samsung side-by-side. Keep it out in the garage. But it is the RS2630SH side-by-side. And it was not cooling down. It would get a little bit cool, but not enough to even just to keep drinks cool. So ended up coming to find that it was just this simple fan here. So I think this is the evaporator fan. So your evaporator is down there. It's what cools the freezer. It's what cools the entire refrigerator. And this one fan does all the circulation by taking the cool air, taking air inlet through there, going past the evaporator, and then the flow goes up into this cavity, up into the freezer itself and the ice tray and so on, and then as well coming out through there into the refrigerator through down those. So simply to get to the evaporator fan, which I'll go ahead and order. I've seen a number of these online. It looks very similar to the ones I see online for different models of Samsung refrigerators. You take it out, it's very simple. It's just this one piece here. It has two covered screws and two uncovered screws. Two uncovered screws are here, and the two covered screws go in there. You just take that off, and then this looks like it'll come out pretty easily as well, with just a couple of screws here, and then I'll be able to pull this entire unit off, unclip the clip, and change the fan. So hopefully that helps somebody. This refrigerator was cooling down a little bit, but it wasn't getting much cooler than ambient, and I noticed there wasn't any airflow. When you'd stick your hand up here, you couldn't feel anything. When you'd stick your hand in here, you couldn't feel anything. So I think that's going to be the solution here.